Okay, today I'm going to show you a quick trick on how to make your air conditioner run a little more efficiently, use less power, last longer. This version of this trick that I'm going to show you today is the fast, easy, free way. Then there's a little more involved way to do it that you'd need some extra equipment for, but it's fairly minor, fairly inexpensive. But today we're going to show you the free and fastest way to do this. Okay, first thing you need to do is make sure the thermostat is set to off, and then come into your disconnect switch and go ahead and disconnect it. Okay, next thing you want to do is just get your garden hose with a little sprayer attachment. If you use something like this, be sure that you do not set on a hard string. Okay, just a nice gentle, cone shape like that. We don't want to cause any damage to the AC unit. And then all you've got to do is come over to your AC and just spray it. I'm kind of getting up so it goes through the fins there, and we're just going to go through the whole thing and rinse those coils out that are inside. Okay, and that's gonna get, I don't know if you can see, but we got a bunch of dirt coming out from inside. And so we're just gonna go through each of these fins, spraying it up in, and just rinse the coil out. That's all we're gonna do. The more involved way to do this is with some actual coil cleaner, which I'll show you in another video, because that's good to do periodically as well. But this is the fast, easy way, and something like this is better than nothing. So just kind of give it a good rinse down, and it'll at least improve and get rid of some of the junk and crud that's gotten on there. And that way you can get it as maximum efficient as you possibly can without buying coil cleaner or anything like that. Okay, so I just kind of did a quick rinse on the outside, and then if you want to take it a step further and even better, go ahead and take the top off here. Now the power's off, the breeze is just spinning the fan there. But I've just kind of opened that up. It's leaning against the side of the house there. And what we're gonna do now is just take the hose and spray from the inside out. That way it's opposite to what the airflow does, and we'll just gently rinse off the coils that direction. Once again, just a gentle spray. Because anything too hard will damage the coils, and you don't want to damage them. So you're just going to go top to bottom and rinse this down. Okay, and it's hard to see. I don't know if you can see, but we've got a bunch of brown, dirty water coming out. So all that dirt and junk and what have you is just stuff that was stuck in the coils and would have otherwise caused a lack of efficiency. So that's pretty much it. Now we're just going to go top to bottom down, and this just cleans out some of the stuff. Like I said, I'm going to do a full cleaning video that includes coil cleaner at some point here in the future. But if you just do a quick rinse like this, you're going to certainly make your air conditioner run more efficiently, and it's going to be better than if you didn't do this at all. So anyway, certainly worth the time to take just to do a quick rinse, get some of that dirt off, and that will help save you a lot of money in energy bills, because your air conditioner will be able to exchange heat more efficiently. Okay, got it all put back on, all the dirt washed out, rinsed, like I said, this was just kind of the fast, easy, free way to do it. For a full deep cleaning, you definitely need to use coil cleaner, which I'll make a video of here in the future. But for now, a rinse like this will do wonders to at least increase the efficiency and get rid of some of the junk that's on there. And then last but not least, don't forget to put your disconnect in. It's just in upside down, so you're going to flip it over to the on position and go ahead and make sure it's in there snugly and well, and you're good to go. So anyway, if you like these kinds of videos, be sure to like and subscribe, and we'll catch you on the next one.